all our live viewers. Please guys, comment down below. Who are you and what is your gender? And also, I want to give you a shout out guys. You deserve a shout out from Dan Fishing TV and also Beast Mode TV guys. Right now we are here in Taiwan, try to catch more fish. Ngayon muna pre, oh. Tulog muna, tapos wala pang duyan nandito, ano? Gawa dapat, bago tayo umalis, patagin ko nga to. Yung bato.
Pero dapat may tinapay na tayo nila.
Kaya yung mga bahaw-bahaw natin dun.
Fish pan muna.
Ha? Fish pan. Yung tama, ito na yung spot ko na, spot natin to, spot na natin to. Wala na lagay ng duyan, ano? Manipis kasi ito, para ikaw muna dito, to tayo lang stand ng duyan. Ako naman, pre, isang oras yan.
Ano kahit yun yung
Wait lang, patagin ko muna, patagin natin to. Puno ba yan? Ayan, duyan na yan, pre. Duyan na yan. Kailangan na pahinga tulad ngayon ba? Hindi yung tagahawak, sayang lang. Pwede naman ito hindi kausapin basta nag-run Shout out to all of you guys, shout out to all of you. Please like, share, subscribe guys. Comment down below which country were you from guys, which country. Hello guys, hello. Good morning to all of you guys. Please comment down below. Please comment down below which country were you from and what time is now in your country. Patagin ko talaga. Hindi yan. Trill. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. Right now we are here in Taiwan guys, trying to catch more fish to make food tonight. Gandang setup nito pre. Makulimlim.
Pwede ka pa mag-jacket po ito, taglamig ko.
Andito ka, hindi ka mababasa pre. Hindi, mapupuntahan ko to pag yung lang. Yung pag mag-isa lang. Okay, pag dalawa, pag yung kailangan natin ng live. Shout out to si Sir Amir. Shout out Sir Amir for 8 AM from Egypt. Oh my God, this is the first time I have a live viewer from Egypt. Shout out to you sir, and also good morning. Shout out sir. Good morning. Sir Samir from Egypt. Good morning. Right now we are here in Taiwan. Right now the time is 12:50 in the afternoon. Almost 1 o'clock guys. 1 o'clock. Guys, there's a catch. There's another catch today. Oh, did you see? Hoping you see that guys. Right now we are trying to pulling up. Mangan na ta. Tensya. Anong ulam, Wonder Teen? Anong ulam? Nagaya ka ng mangan. Wala namang ulam, mangan. Guys, there's a catch. We're trying to pull up guys. Oh, that's a big catch sir. Oh, that's a very big good size fish. Look at guys, just watch it. I am trying to pull it now. Wow, a very big